and welcome to Aditya Archives Episode 1. Inspiring minds, shaping future. School news at its finest. I'm Netra.
And I'm Rudra.
We are excited to bring you the latest happenings and important announcements from our school desk.
Let's dive into the latest updates.
A warm welcome to a promising new beginning at AGS.
As students stepped into AGS on the first day of the new academic year, they were greeted with a heartfelt welcome, a special bookmark carrying an inspiring message, a seed pencil, and a letter to future self.
Facilitator training programs.
A session on student support and inclusive classroom was conducted by our guidance counselor.
The teacher enrichment session was conducted by an applied psychology professional, Ms. Swati Jagdish.
Our guidance counselor led mandatory POCSO awareness session for all facilitators.
Facilitators attended a training session led by a principal ma'am on effective classroom management.
NCC unit raised at Aditya Global School.
Aditya Global School proudly inaugurated its National Cadet Corps NCC unit in a grand ceremony.
Event was graced by the chief guest, Colonel Lalrun Mutta Oinam, commanding officer, who officially launched the unit and addressed the students.
IIMUN orientation at AGS.
An orientation session on the India's international movement to United Nations, IIMUN, was conducted at AGS for students of grade 6 to 10 by Mr. Harris Prakash, Senior Director, Conference Department, South Zone.
Grade 12 mentoring session.
As students began their final year, setting clear goals and strategies is crucial for success in board exams.
To support this, a one-to-one mentoring session was conducted for grade 12 students where they were guided on setting goals, tracking progress, and following a schedule.
Summer camps at AGS.
Our school conducted exciting summer camps in sports, arts, and creative activities during the vacation.
Students enthusiastically participated in athletics, badminton, basketball, football, kho-kho, skating, chess, dance, and art and craft camps.
A total of 95 students participated in the Hill training session.
One word a day, smarter every day.
As part of the new initiative at AGS, the Word for the Day activity was successfully launched with great enthusiasm to strengthen vocabulary and build confidence in communication.
Bullying awareness programs for grade 10, 11, and 12.
A bullying awareness program was conducted by a guidance counselor for students of grade 10, 11, and 12 to promote a safe and respectful school environment.
Pep Talk launched successfully.
The Communicative English Initiative, Pep Talk, was launched successfully on the 8th of June with an energetic and inspiring start with students welcoming their peers.
World Environment Day celebration.
On the occasion of World Environment Day on 5th June, our principal ma'am and students actively participated in a sapling plantation drive within the school campus, promoting environmental awareness and responsibility.
A new chapter of student leadership begins.
The student council election was successfully conducted, offering students a practical understanding of the democratic process.
Students filed their nominations, followed by the interview and selection process. The campaign was held on 8 June, voting took place on 9th June, and the results were declared on 10th June.
Thankful Thursday.
The Communicative English Department organized Thankful Thursday, where students expressed their gratitude by creating handmade appreciation cards for bus drivers, nannies, cleaners, security personnel, gardeners, and other support staff who contribute to their daily lives.
Achievements galore.
34 qualifiers for national level Spell Bee.
34 AGS students qualified for the national level WIN Spell Bee competition after participating in the Tamil Nadu State Grand Finals.
RLP Joseph of grade 12 secured state rank 1 and won a cash prize of Rs 5,000 along with a trophy and a certificate.
Ria Adlin of grade 2 participated in the Kingdom World Records events held in Vellore and achieved remarkable feats of memory and recitation.
Let's step into the podium of sporting triumph.
AGS students shine at Beyond Heights Vadavalli Marathon 2026.
In the 5 to 10 years girls category, Lakshya S of grade 6 secured the gold medal.
In the 11 to 16 years girls category, Mahati S of grade 11 won the gold medal, while Vedavarna J of grade 10 earned the silver medal.
AGS extends heartfelt appreciation to all our achievers and hopes they continue to reach new milestones ahead.
Tiny steps, big adventure. Let's dive into the kindergarten updates.
A beautiful start to a new journey at AGS.
With smiles, creative experiences, and a delightful visit from our school mascot and Spider-Man, our little learners began their school journey on a truly memorable note.
Mark your calendars for the upcoming events.
The school is all set to host the investiture ceremony on the 15th of June, celebrating student leadership and responsibility.
Students are gearing up for the joy of poetry and comic strip creation competition.
Preparations are underway for the educational field trip for grade 1 to 8.
The kindergarten department is looking forward to the Dad and Me Moment event and Smile and Stretch Fest.
That's it for the week's updates.
Stay tuned for more updates and exciting news from our school desk.
This is Netra.
And this is Rudra.
And we are signing off from Aditya Archives.